Hello friends, I welcome you again on my YouTube channel, the second video of higher education system. Let us start with the University Grants Commission UGC 1956. मित्रों, जब हम हायर एजुकेशन का नाम लेते हैं तो एक नाम जो अनायास दिमाग में आ जाता है MHRD को शायद ही प्रत्यक्ष रूप से हम उतना न जानते हैं जितना हम UGC को जानते हैं. It is a statutory body established by an act of parliament. मित्रों, हम जानते हैं कि स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी किसे कहते हैं. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी का मतलब यह है कि जिनको कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में मेंशन किया गया है. आपका वित्त आयोग है, फाइनेंस कमीशन, इट इज मेंशन इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी जिसे एक्ट ऑफ पार्लियामेंट के द्वारा एस्टैब्लिश किया जाता है, और ऐसे भी होते हैं जो ऑफिशियली बना दिए जाते हैं. तो इसलिए यूजीसी जो है यह स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी है क्योंकि इसे एक्ट ऑफ पार्लियामेंट से गठित किया गया है. और क्यों गठित किया गया है? तो कोऑर्डिनेट करने के लिए, डिटरमाइन करने के लिए और मेंटेन करने के लिए एक प्रॉपर स्टैंडर्ड इन द यूनिवर्सिटीज. Apart from providing grants to eligible universities and colleges, the Commission also advises the central and state government on measures which are necessary for the development of higher education. It functions from New Delhi as well as its 6 regional offices located in Bangalore, Bhopal, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Pune. NBT, National Book Trust, 1957. It is an Indian publishing house founded in 1957 as an autonomous body under the Ministry of Education of the Government of India. National Book Trust now functions under aegis of Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. क्योंकि एजुकेशन मिनिस्ट्री क्या हो गई है? MHRD हो गई है. India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, envisioned that NBT would be a bureaucracy-free structure that would publish low-cost books. They publish a monthly newsletter about recent publications. Headquarters is located at Basant Kunj, New Delhi. The activities of the trust include publishing, promotion of books, reading, promotion of Indian books abroad, assistance to authors and publishers, and promotion of children's literature. NBT publishes reading materials in several Indian languages for all age groups, including books for children and neo-literates. Indian Council of Social Science Research, ICSSR, 1969. It is a council in India which promotes research in the field of social sciences. It was established in 1969 as an autonomous body under Government of India with their office in New Delhi. In the same year, it started a division called the National Social Science Documentation Center, NASDOC, whose primary aim is to provide library and information support services. The objectives of the program are to provide opportunities to social scientists to engage themselves in full-time research on important themes of their choice or to write books about their research. To assist young scholars who have the potential and competence for research to work full-time on their approved research theme. To support doctoral students to pursue and complete their research work. To achieve these objectives, 4 categories of fellowships are offered, awarded to scholars who are at various levels in their profession: national fellowships, senior fellowships, general fellowships, and doctoral fellowships. Council of Architecture 1972. It has been constituted by Government of India under provisions of the Architects Act 1972 enacted by Parliament, which came into force on September 1, 1972. Act provides for registration of architects and matters connected therewith. The Council of Architecture, besides maintaining a register of architects, oversees the maintenance of standards periodically of recognized qualifications under the Act by way of conducting inspection through committees of experts. Based on the inspections, the Council of Architecture can make representation to appropriate governments with regards to inadequacy of standards maintained by the institutions. Central government, after further inquiry, has deemed fit and keeping in view the comments of the appropriate governments and the architecture institutions, is required to take decision regarding notifying derecognition of the architectural qualification. The recommendations of the Council of Architecture are taken before any architectural qualification is notified as recognized under the Act by the central government. Indian Council for Historical Research, ICHR 1972. It is an autonomous body, Ministry of Human Resource Development, which had been established by an administrative order of the then Ministry of Education. The body over many years has provided financial assistance to the historians and direction to the research scholars in their multifarious topics of historical research through established historians and scholars of the country. ICHR disburses funds for carrying out research to Indian as well as foreign scholars on their applications for fellowship grants and symposia made to the Indian Council of Historical Research or through the Ministry of Human Resource Development. The source of the funds at the disposal of ICHR is grants in aid received from the Department of Higher Education in the Ministry of Human Resource Development. Grants in aid from various Indian states, private donations from individuals in other countries and the proceeds of revenues from the sale of publications of the ICHR. Objectives of the ICHR are to bring historians together and provide a forum for exchange of views between them, to give a national direction to an objective and scientific writing of history, and to have rational presentation and representation of history, to promote, accelerate, and coordinate research in history with special emphasis on areas which have not received adequate attention so far, to promote and coordinate a balanced distribution of research efforts over different areas. Indian Council of Philosophical Research, ICPR 1977. It was established in March 1977 under Department of Higher Education and Ministry of Human Resource Development. It is an apex level body under the Society's registration. Prime objectives of the Council are: review the progress of research in philosophy on regular basis, coordinate research activities in philosophy and encourage interdisciplinary research, promote collaboration in research between Indian philosophers and international philosophical institutes, promote teaching and research in philosophy, sponsor or assist projects or programs of research in philosophy, provide financial support and assistance to institutions and organizations engaged in the conduct of research on philosophy. National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAAC 1994. It is an autonomous body funded by University Grants Commission of Government of India. NAAC was established 1994 in response to recommendation. NAAC was established in 1994 in response to recommendations of National Policy in Education 1986. This policy was to address the issues of deterioration in quality of education, and the Plan of Action 1992 laid out strategic plans for the policies, including establishment of an independent national accreditation. Founded 1994, headquarters Bangalore. It comes under Ministry of Human Resource Development. National Commission for Minority Educational Institutions, 2004. This commission is a quasi-judicial body and has been endowed with the power of civil court. It is to be headed by a chairman who has been a judge of the High Court, and 3 members are to be nominated by central government. Commission has 3 roles, namely adjudicatory function, advisory function, and recommendatory powers. So far as affiliation of a minority educational institution to a university is concerned, the decision of the Commission would be final. The Commission has powers to advise the central government or any state government to any question relating to the education of minorities that may be referred to it. The Commission can make recommendations to the central government and state governments regarding any matter which directly or indirectly deprives the minority community of their educational rights enshrined in Article 30. Government brought out an ordinance in November 2004 establishing the commission. Later, a bill was introduced in the Parliament in December 2004, and both houses passed the bill. National Commission on Minority Education Institution Act was notified in January 2005 under the Prime Minister's new 15-point program for welfare of minorities. There will be definite goals which are to be achieved in a specific time frame. On high priority is enhancing opportunity for education. The Commission is mandated to look into specific complaints regarding deprivation or violation of rights of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice. Protection of rights of minorities are enshrined in Article 30 of the Constitution, which states that all minorities, whether based on religion or language, shall have the right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice. Thus, the Commission can look into any complaints relating to violation and deprivation of rights of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice. Organization under Ministry of Human Resource Development, National University of Educational Planning and Administration, NUPA, 1962. Indian Institute of Advanced Study, 1965. Central Institute of Indian Languages, 1981. National University of Educational Planning and Administration, NUEPA, 1962. It is established by the Ministry of Human Resource Development. It is a premier organization dealing with capacity building and research in planning and management of education, not only in India but also in South Asia. It is recognition of the pioneering work done by the organization in the field of educational planning and administration. The Government of India have empowered it to award its own degrees by way of conferring it the status of deemed to be university